Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. So, dear children, as I taught you this chapter in my previous video, chapter 7, the kite. Chapter 7, the kite. So, today we are going to complete the exercise of this video. So, dear children, can you take out your English copy? Let's start. So, dear children, answer these questions. First you have to write chapter 7, the kite. Answer these questions. Question 1. Why is the kite naughty? Question 1. Why is the kite naughty? Answer. The kite is naughty because it breaks its string and flies away. I repeat, the kite is naughty because it breaks its string and flies away. Okay? Question number 2. How does the kite look? Next. How does the kite look? Answer. The kite has a snow white face and pink and white ears. It looks pretty. I repeat, the kite has a snow white face and pink and white ears. It looks pretty. Question number 3. What is the kite made of? What is the kite made of? Answer. The kite is made of paper and little bits of string tied together. The kite is made of paper and little bits of string tied together. Okay? Next, question 4. What are the 2 things that the children do to get the kite from the rooftop? What are the 2 things that the children do to get the kite from the rooftop? Answer. First, the children pull the tail of the kite. First, the children pull the tail of the kite. Then the children bring a ladder. Then the children bring a ladder. Next, question number 5. What happens when the wind lifts the kite? What happens when the wind lifts the kite? Answer. When the wind lifts the kite, it flies away again. When the wind lifts the kite, it flies away. Dear children, can you note down this question answer in your copy and learn it? So, dear children, let's complete the book work. Understanding the story. A. Choose the correct answers and complete these sentences. Dear children, as you can see, few sentences is written here, but it is incomplete. So, choose the correct word from the clue and complete these sentences. Number 1. The kite always dash its tail, wags, moves, breaks. So, correct word is wakes. W-A-G-S. Wakes. The kite always wakes its tail. Number 2. It sits on the tops of ponds, houses, grass. Houses. H-O-U-S-E-S. Houses. Number 3. The kite does not move when the children pull its tail, ears, face. So correct word is tail. Number 4. The children climb up the stairs, roof, ladder. Correct word is ladder. So write here LADDER, ladder. Number 5. The kite flies away when the dash lifts it. Wind, children, ladder. So correct word is wind. WIND, wind. The kite flies away when the wind lifts it. Okay, now turn the page. Open page number 52. Grammar and usage. Grammar and usage. Adjectives and describing words. Read these sentences. It is such a pretty kite. It is stuck on a red roof. Dear children, pretty and red. These are describing words. Okay. Describing words are called adjective. Describing words are called adjective. An adjective is a word used to describe a noun. An adjective is a word used to describe a noun. As you can see, kite. Kite is a noun. So pretty describe kite. Okay. The word pretty tells us about the kite. The word pretty tells us about the kite. The word red tells us about the roof. Dear children, pretty tells us about the kite and red tells us about the roof. They describe, pretty describes the kite and red describe the roof. Pretty and red are called describing words. Pretty and red are called describing words. Describing words are called adjective and describing words are called adjective. Okay. So describing words tell us about color, size, shape, type and even how many there are. Okay. So let's complete the exercise. A. Match the words in A with the words in B. Then complete the sentences with the words you have matched. Okay. So as you can see here, A and B. There are two columns A and B. So match the words in A with the words in B, like red. So as you can see, milk, trees, hair, sandwich, apple. So as we know, apple is red. So red, match it with apple. Number 2, curly. Curly hair. Number 3, tall trees. Number 4, cold milk. Number 5, tasty sandwich. Okay. Number 1, there is a dash apple on the tree. There is a red apple on the tree. Okay. Next, number 2, on a hot day, I drink on a hot day, I drink cold, cold, cold milk, milk. Milk. On a hot day, I drink cold milk. Number 3, there are dash in the park. So tall, TALL, tall trees, TREES, trees. There are tall trees in the park. Number 4, Sheba has curly hair, hair. Number 5, Ali made a for mother. So Ali made a tasty, Tasty, tasty. Sandwich, SAND, sand, WICH, which, sandwich. Okay. Now next, open page number 53. B. Put the correct words, B. Put the words in brackets in the correct places in these sentences. Dear children, as you can see, word written in bracket. So put the word in correct place. The pictures will help you. As you can see, pictures are here. So they will help you. These pictures will help you. Number 1, the giraffe has legs long. So the giraffe has long legs. Okay. Number 2, Meena has a bag. Big. So here we will write Meena has a big bag. Number 3, the sparrow is a bird. In bracket, small. The sparrow is a small bird. Next, number 4, the kitten has fur. In bracket, brown. So the kitten has brown fur. Number 5, I hear a noise loud. So I hear a loud noise. Now next words in use. A. Look at these pictures. Tick write the correct words to complete these sentences. Number 1. Tommy wakes, swings his tail happily. So dear children, action word. I will tell you what is action word. Words. Doing words tell us what a person, animal or things does. In other words, an action word is a doing word. Okay? Doing words, action words tell us what a person, animals or thing does. Okay? So, number 1, Tommy wakes, swings his tail happily. So, correct word is wakes. Tommy wakes his tail happily. Number 2, Rita and Nisha move hands. So, shake. Correct word is shake. Rita and Nisha shake hands. Number 3, Tina shakes the lid and looks inside the box. So, lifts. Number 4, he is strong. He can lift the heavy box. So, lift. Okay. Now, next, turn the page. Open page number 54. Number 5, the leaves fall, pull in October. So, correct word is fall. Number 6, the bird flies, runs to its nest. The bird flies, runs to its nest. So, correct word is flies. B. Now next, B. Look at these pictures. Things are as usually made of paper, glass, wood and so on. Complete these sentences with the correct words. Dear children, as you can see, some pictures are here. Things are as usually made of paper, glass, wood. So choose the correct word from the clue box and complete these sentences. Number 1, Kites are made of, as we know, kites are made of paper or plastic. So here plastic is not written. So paper. So correct word is paper. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. Kites are made of paper. Number 2. Bottles are made of, dear children, bottles are made of glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. Number 3. Nests are made with sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S. Sticks. Number 4. Chairs are made with wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. Number 5. Dresses are made with cloth. C-L-O-T-H. Cloth. Okay. Now next. Open page number 55. Dear children, this is your homework. Color the pictures. Okay. My dear children, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.